Every day is a good day. Life is beautiful in Goa. आज हांव तुमकां आमचें ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅनाचें रांपोण कितकोन घोडली कितकोन आत दुखू आहाय तें सांगता.
So the rampon is one of the main traditional gears in the state of Goa. As long as we can, think about fishing, the rampon net has been in operation.
किलोमीटर 200 किलोमीटर इतना भायर वयताले आनी रावंड करताले आनी नुस्त्याक वयर सोताले नुस्त्या तेका चोरून आमी रांपोण मारताले तितू दाट नुस्त्या मेळटालें आनी सारकें पायपान नुस्त्या माडत ते भाशेन वयर घाताले.
Rampun means community fisherman. We used to, when my father is alive, my father have total community 40 fishermen, and all family one fisherman get together and become traditional fishermen. It's called Rampun Kar in Konkani.
And it was started as a community, fishing method and introduced by a priest. So he saw that the fishermen, were catching fish with other kind of methods, like just with a spear or with just a gill net, and he introduced this rampon fishing so that the community can be built up. So when the community goes for fishing together, then there is a lot of scope for the fishing activity, and you get a lot of income for the whole community.
Look, this is a net what we are using, and this is a bucket with a bamboo. We don't eat plastic bucket because this is our traditional. This is a wooden tree wood, and you understand, no, two people pulling and come here. This is a rope, and we always use stone. We don't put that iron chimb, I don't know called in English, but this is a stone how we use. And look, net is like this size. It's called 50 size, 50. And here, of course, before we using wooden tamacol, nowadays they are doing with factory. Buoyant, it's called buoyancy. So this is how, and this is a nylon rope.
And the canoe of a rampon net, you can say, is much bigger than the normal canoe which an individual fisherman can, go out by himself. So here in this canoe, so it is like a plank canoe. It is not even a dugout canoe, it is a plank canoe. And you have more than 10-15 people taking that canoe out, going out in the sea, and the net is also very big. So the net needs to be casted by this particular canoe, and one end of that net is held by the fishermen. So then the boat keeps casting the net and comes back to the shore. So it's a beach scene basically. And one plus point in this particular fishing was that the fish can be stored in that net for even a week, because as you drag the fish closer to the shore, it remains in the net. Okay, so it can remain in the net in live condition for as long as the fishermen decide that they need then to pull the net back to the shore to harvest the full fishing. So in this way, the fish could be made available to the market in a fresh condition throughout the week or even 15 days time.
एक दीस सुमार लागतालो नुस्त्या बांगडो मारपा ताल मारपा एक दिसान निघून जायन आहले ती बांदून दवरताले आमी नांगुरगान उपरगान ती 4 दीस 3 दीस वताले नुस्तें आमगेलें तितून दाट आसतालें आतां नुस्त्याक मेळना तितले भायर गेल्या ते नुस्त्या दिसतपणाचे भाशेन
Today, there is less rampun because there is not enough fish in our sea. But fishermen's son are still alive, and they are make sure that traditional this generation we will pass future generation. So that's how the Goan traditional are united.
See, as long as fishermen are united and as a community, there is more power for them. Okay, so it is always good when fishermen work together, and they even go fishing together. Even now, some of the fishermen have moved now from the traditional to the motorized to mechanized sector. But when you go out, even in the deeper sea, if you go together, okay, it is better because the sea is something which is not predictable. You may feel today the sea is very calm, you go out for fishing. But when you go out in the deep sea, maybe you will have a thunderstorm there, or maybe the weather will suddenly change. So it is always better to go fishing as a community.
Don't be shy to say my father is fisherman, my mother is fisherwoman. We proud to be a fisherman today. Goa world running with a fisherman community. Thank you. Bless everybody.